Hello everybody, this is Michael Ensor with Advertising Report Card. This is a quick video on ClickUp. One of the things I really love about ClickUp in general when it comes to advanced task management and looking at a lot of things at the same time, there's a lot of different ways to look at tasks. The notifications is one thing I like to look at consistently. Main reason is it's basically your inbox for every type of event that's happening in your ClickUp. And it can be intimidating to look at first. So here's some quick tips about how to use your notifications area. So first of all, when you see stacked tasks like this, it's all tasks having a status that is occurring. So they're becoming overdue because they were on the calendar and then they're late. So you could go through and reschedule them all, but really this is just an overall status update. I wouldn't worry about rescheduling from your notifications area. This is just letting you know some tasks went overdue. So you can instantly clear those out. And then also you can see when a task is created or when an automation happens or when a simple action happens. In this instance, a task was created. The automation was web designer was assigned to the task. And then also a watcher was added, me, to the task as well. So again, nothing that needs to be worked on. You can clear these out. Another item as well, created, and then auto-assigned. You can clear out, auto-assigned. And then also a really cool feature with ClickUp is being able to send emails, which is something I'm going to create a different video on. But the main thing is that if you do send the email out to a client, when they respond back, you also get that in your notifications. So as you're going through your notifications, you can easily clear these out as you respond. So this is a good example of what to do in an instance where you want to see what's going on with the actual task or the project. So if you wanted to click in to this and then actually work on this, you could right here. And then when you back out of it, you're right back to where you were in the notification to clear it out. Well, let's say you want to see what else is going in the project. You can actually click on the link itself and go directly to the project and see everything else going on in the project as well. And then let's say you do some work in here, all you have to do is click back on your browser to bring you back to where you were. So let's see if there's any other examples I can run through. Nope, just more stuff to instantly clear out. So if you don't have a lot of tasks, so I have hundreds of tasks assigned and some things run late. I'm working on different automations to help clean that up as well. But the main thing is if you don't have a lot of tasks assigned and you're seeing a lot of things go overdue, it is important to look at that. Let's say you do see something in here that is constantly going overdue. There's other things that you can do as well to look at what is overdue. One is go to your home tab. And if you're on the home tab, sorry, what you can do is go to your home tab and you can look at what is assigned to you today, what's overdue, what's next, and what's unscheduled. I know a lot of people probably seeing these numbers and they're screaming at me. I'm yelling at myself right now for not rescheduling more of this. But that's the main reason why I love it, because it's easier for me to look at what I've assigned to myself and what I try to consciously get done or what needs to get pushed. I can easily reschedule or delegate it in this instance. Take it off my list if it's assigned to someone else, if someone else needs to be doing something with it, or I can change the due date right there, or if it's something that's actually done. But the main thing is just going in and seeing where it's at, because if it's on the calendar for a certain due date, there's a reason for the due date. There's no reason why it wouldn't be. Another thing while I'm here is on the home page. There's going to be different items that you can see up here. Trending, there's things that have been communicated with a lot recently or interacted with a lot. Lineup is what you can actually add to your, basically it's your sticky note to all the tasks that you've put up here that are the most important things that you need to do. I really like this a lot because it allows you to put things that you just need to have at the top of your list. Sometimes with project management systems, you can get bogged down with all the different things that you need to do, and it's hard to prioritize things. But if there's just 3 things you just need to do before everything else, you can add it to your lineup, and it's really easy to do that. Just any task. If you're in the task menu, you can go here. It says add to your lineup right here. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. Happy to help. AdvertisingReportCard.com. This is Mike. Have a good one.